In this video, we will take a look at all the options for saving and sharing your design in Canva. Canva automatically saves any changes you make to your design. At the top of the interface, you'll notice a blue gradient bar. Look for the small cloud icon with a check mark. If you hover over this icon, a message will appear confirming all changes saved. Alternatively, you can click on File in the same gradient bar. Here you'll see the same cloud and checkmark icon, along with the All Changes Saved message to the right. If you'd like to download your design to your computer, start by clicking the Share button located in the top right corner of the toolbar. This will open a drop-down menu. Scroll down the menu to the Download option. Clicking this will open a second menu where you can select from various file types, such as PNG, JPEG, PDF, and more. If you're downloading a PNG file, remember to check the transparent background option if applicable. Your file will download to your computer's default downloads folder, and from there, you can move it to a designated folder for organization. In addition to downloading, Canva offers a range of sharing and saving options. For example, you can create a public view link to share your design or explore Canva's print catalog, which offers a variety of print products for your design. By clicking the See All button in the drop-down menu, you'll discover even more options, 11 in total. These include saving your design to a specific Canva folder, sending it to your phone, saving it as a brand template or website link, generating a QR code, copying it to a clipboard, and embedding it on a website. Under the Save section, you can download your design directly to your computer or the Download section in Canva. You can also download to platforms like Dropbox, Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, PowerPoint, and Box. The Social section lets you schedule when you share your designs to 9 different platforms, such as Instagram, Facebook and Facebook Stories, Twitter, TikTok, LinkedIn profile or page, Tumblr, as well as Pinterest. If you prefer messaging apps, the Messaging section includes options like email, WhatsApp, iMessage, Snapchat, MailChimp, Slack, Activity Messenger, and Facebook Messenger. Canva also integrates with additional tools under the Design section, including Hazine Flipbook and Simple Booklet Flip. And if that's not enough, the More Options button unveils another 45 ways to share or save your design. So, if you thought saving a design in Canva was going to be basic, think again. With all these options, Canva ensures you can save, share, and organize your work exactly the way you need. This was a quick overview of saving a design in Canva. If you found this content helpful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.